Hello everybody, this is Abhirami from Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai. This is video lecture 4. In this video, we shall learn how to evaluate the postfix expression. This is the postfix expression that we are going to evaluate. Initially, the stack is empty and the input is of type string. We need to process the string character by character until we reach the null character. We need to push the operand into the stack, and if we come across the operator, we need to do pops. Okay, let us go into the problem. So 2 is operand, it has to be pushed into the stack. 3 is operand, it has to be pushed into the stack. Then the operator plus comes, so we need to do 2 pops. So the first pop gets stored in the variable op2. The second pop, the value gets stored in the variable op1. We have to pass this op1, op2 and the operator to a separate function where this operation actually takes place. The result is pushed into the stack. Here the result is 5 and it gets pushed into the stack. In the next iteration, the 4 is red, so it has to be pushed into the stack. Then 3 is red, it has to be pushed into the stack. In the next iteration, star is seen, so we have to do 2 pops. So the value 3 is stored in the op2 and the value 4 is stored in the variable op1. So here the operator is star, so 4 star 3 is performed and the result is 12, it gets pushed into the stack. Then the character is 2, operand is 2, it gets pushed into the stack. Then the character is minus, so we have to do 2 pops. So it would be op1, op2, it would be 12 minus 2. So the result is 10, it gets pushed into the stack. Then the next minus is seen, so it would be op1, op2, so it would be 5 minus 10. The answer is minus 5, so it gets pushed into the stack. Then we have reached the end of the string. So minus 5 is popped out and that is the result, that is the evaluated result of the given postfix expression. Thank you.